The Q-Matrix 88 is an 8-zone paging and matrix solution which boasts an exceptional range of features coupled with Quest's unmistakable reliability and value. Like all Quest products, the design philosophy behind the Q-Matrix 88 was one which would deliver a practical solution to installations requiring matrix functionality without the high cost associated with the current DSP offerings available on the market. The Q-Matrix 88 is a complete solution that is flexible, affordable and extremely versatile. The Q-Matrix 88 front panel has been laid out with immediacy and simplicity in mind. There are 8 individual sets of zone controls, with each including source select buttons and LCD display for choosing and displaying the desired input, an override button on each zone section, which allows the user to deselect a special 9th input, which may be used for PABX paging, paging and microphone LED indicators, separate gain controls for microphone, music and master output. In addition to these 8 zones, the Q-Matrix 88 also includes a very unique feature, the monitor section. The monitor section includes a built-in speaker with gain control for monitoring inputs and paging microphones for each zone, as well as a 2-digit LCD and zone select button to select and display the zone to be controlled. The LED output level meters provides a clear visual aid in order to determine the output to each zone. The monitor section makes installation simpler and faster than ever before, empowering the installer to configure and monitor each zone from the unit itself. The master section, located at the rear of the Q-Matrix 88, carries an impressive selection of various inputs to accommodate a diverse range of sound sources. These include 4 RCA line level inputs, each with their own independent gain control, 4 flexible Phoenix inputs, which can each be configured as line, mic, phantom inputs via the flick of a switch, 2 RJ45 paging microphone inputs with individual gain controls, a separate 9th XLR priority microphone input with its own dedicated LF, HF and gain control. Although a mic input with the help of a line mic level device, you can use this for paging via a PABX. Each of the 8 zone sections at the rear of the unit feature the following: a Phoenix connector for zone output, gain, HF, LF and paging level controls, Phoenix line input and gain control, wall panel activation button which engages or disables the remote panels. 3 remote wall panels have been designed to be used in conjunction with the Q-Matrix 88. The QT-VCS, QT1WML and QT1WWM. The QT-VCS is made up of a 2-digit LED zone indicator, source select buttons, as well as a gain control. The QT1WML features the same options as the QT-VCS, with the addition of both microphone and line level inputs, as well as gain controls for each. The QT1WWM is an in-wall mixer featuring 2 microphone inputs, separate LF-HF and gain controls, as well as a mute button. Each of the 3 control panels are designed to be connected to the rear of the Q-Matrix 88 via a single RJ45 Cat5 connection and manage the zone they're connected to. Additionally, whenever a source is connected to the QT1WML or QT1WWM, any background music playing within the zone is automatically ducked. Each of these wall panels can be installed at distances of up to 50 meters without any additional power requirements. For longer cable runs, panels can be powered by a 24-volt power supply via the rear figure 8 connector, which provides support for distances up to 300 meters. To achieve this, standard figure 8 cabling can be run alongside the Cat5. Mounting is achieved by use of 2 small screw points located at the top and bottom of each panel. An optional mounting box is also available for stud mounting or for recessing into solid walls. Paging is achieved by the specially designed QT EPS paging station. The QT EPS connects to the rear of the Q-Matrix 88 via a single RJ45 Cat5 connection. The QT EPS is the only paging microphone on the market at this pricing point, which features a high-quality Electret microphone with superior speech intelligibility, along with the choice of either 2 or 4-tone pre-announcement chimes built in. LED indicators on the front panel provide a clear visual overview of zones being paged or zones being engaged by the optional second console. The QT EPS can be used to page a single zone or used to deliver announcements across all zones simultaneously. It also features an output level meter and is powered by the supplied 24-volt power pack. Via the rear zone expansion section, connections of up to 2 additional units can be connected to a master Q-Matrix unit using the included parallel cable. This means the Q-Matrix 88 can support up to 8 inputs across a maximum of 24 zones. Configuring master and slave units is achieved by utilizing the dip switches at the rear of the unit. Expansion modules for the QT EPS are also available to ensure paging across more than 8 zones is possible. The expansion section also features Phoenix connectors providing connectivity to a building management or fire indicator panel evacuation system. Separate gain and priority override controls are also available for these devices, and 2 behavior modes are available. There is a system shutdown mode and a warning emergency announcements override, which can deliver messages to all zones simultaneously via the connected building management system. The Q-Matrix 88 is an extremely flexible solution with an exceptional feature set. Its simple and clever design makes the Q-Matrix 88 the perfect choice for both small and large configurations that require a full-featured multi-zone mixing and paging solution at an extremely competitive price point.